Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to make an animated chart and animated infographics in PowerPoint. When you give the PowerPoint presentation without animation, it won't be a professional one and it won't attract the viewers. When you give your chart with the animations, the user will be attracted and he can able to easily figure out the information like this. So these are made with animation, so user will be attracted to the slide or to the presentation and he will figure out the information. So I will show how to make. I have opened the PowerPoint. I'll go to layout and I'll take a blank layout. I'll go to design and I'll select a background color black design. This one, right? It's a black design, right? Now I'll go to insert. Simply we'll go to chart and initially I'll select a line chart and I'll press OK. So you'll get the chart and the chart data. So in the chart data sheet, you can type your data. So I will type my data. I'm pasting the data. You can type. So it will give the chart here. Now I'm going to switch the rows and columns because here see the January and the series, right? The series, right? The brands, these are the brands, the world best brands, milk powder brands. So these are data about the sales, about the world's best brand milk powders sales chart for the last 6 months. So I will switch the rows. I will click switch row. So it will be like this. This is the chart data, right? So we made simply the chart. If you want, we can give a chart title. Milk powder company sales. So I'll give a chart title, right? Now we'll see how to animate this one simply, right? So go to animation, right? So here I will select add animation. In the add animation, for this one I will select wipe. Wipe is the best option. Here click wipe. So it will wipe. So when you click wipe, here you can take the animation pan. Here play from. So it's playing right to left. So according to this chart, better to have it from left. This option from this side, right? Now here you have the, in the effect option, you have by series. Select. So when you see this animation is left to right, the whole object is coming. Here I'll select here by series. By series is the best. Here I'll see the by category. See the by category. By category. The category is here the months, right? So the series is the companies, the 4 best companies in the world, right? So I'll select by series. So here the first company, second company, right? Now if you want, you can give the timing option. I will go to effect options, right? And I will go to timing. Here it's very fast. If you want, we can make it 1 second, right? Little bit slower and okay. Now see, one by one, it's getting the, showing the scene. So there is the animation, right? Now what I do, I will duplicate this slide. I'll go to here. I will right click this slide and I'll say duplicate slide. And we'll see animation for a different type. I'll select this one and go to animation. It's already the wipe is there. So before the animation, we will change the chart type. I'll go to the chart design, chart type. So I'll select a column chart. We'll select a column chart and okay. So see the difference. When you go to the column chart and go to the animation, This is the existing animation wipe we gave. So when you play, it's coming right by series. That is already we copied now, right? So if you want, we can give the both here. By series, this is by category. By element in series. By element in series. See this one. By element in series. Right? One by element in the series. Right? These are the company, right? Element in the series. When you give like that. Or when you give by element in category. By element in category. So we will change this one to from bottom. First we will change that one from bottom. And I will give by element in series. By element in series here. So here if it is, there are by element series, no. So here you can increase the fast. I will go to here. Effect options. Timing. I will make it faster. Very fast. Yeah. So like that you can make your animations. Right? Nothing hard. Right, you can type another type also, another type of graph also, and you can try. Right, now I will make a new slide, new blank slide. I will make an infographics, not a chart or graph, or infographics. I will go to insert. I'll go to shape, and I'll take the shape. It's called circle halo. Click that one. Press your shift key and draw a circle, and here from this yellow point reduce the width of that one and press the shift key and size it accordingly like this. Okay, now go to shape fill a light color, something like this. I'll make it little bit darker also. You can go according to your background color. Yeah, something like that. I will go to shape outline, no outline color. Yeah, now you can see. Now I will take a copy, paste. Take a insert shape, a rectangle. Draw a rectangle over the half of that circle and press the control key and select the both and merge. In the merge shapes, make it intersect. Right, now you can if you want, you can change these colors also. Here also I'll move this one here to this part. Now I'll select those both and I'll say group. We can group it. You can click group it. So it's grouped. Now I will give an animation. I will go to animation, add animation. Here I will select this spin. See, spin. Right. Now what I do, I will place a text. For this one, I will go insert, word art. I will take this one. I will say 77%. Right. I will move here. Move it. Right. If it is too big, you can a little bit reduce the size. Right. Right. Now here you'll play. It's rotating in full, right? It's rotating in full. So what I do, I will go to effect option and here see the amount 360 degrees. So the half circle is 180. So the 77% of 180 is 139. It will come 138 point something. So I will make it 139 and I will place and I will smooth end. I will make this one smooth end and okay. See. Right. Now what I do, I will select this text also. Right. And I will go to animation and add animation. Here I will select fill color. We'll see fill color. Fill color. Right here, this is the in the animation part. This is the second animation. Go here, effect option. Not fill color. We will go for another option. I will remove that one. I'll undo that one. I'll select that one. I'll go to add animation. Object color. We'll see the object color. I'll go to effect option. Yes. Here animate text by word. Select by word. Right, and change the color also. Whatever the color you want, you can change it. Right, and press OK. See, right. If you want, you can give a timing. Go to timing. I will make that one a little bit slower. 1 second. Right. Right. Now see the animation. We'll adjust this one. Now here, play everything. Right. If you want, you can give this one with previous. You can give this one with previous. So when it is same time, the color also get filled here. Right. So this is the way simply. Now you can show some more of here. I'll select this one, and with the control key, I'll select the text also. I'll go to home and I'll copy and paste. 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 Right, now change this one if you want 90. So select this one, and here this is the animation. Go here, effect option. Here if it is 90%, it will be 168, I think so, right? Percent. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. 168, 98. Select this one. For example, I will make it 40. Select the circle. Go to effect option. If it is 40, it will be, we have to calculate. It will be 72. 72. And press OK. And I'll select this one. I'll make it 60. If it is 60, that will be 108. I'll select here, effect option. Here, 108%. Actually, this 90% means when you call 162. I gave 168, a little bit more. I'll go that one, and I'll edit that one, 162. Right, that's okay. Now you can play from here also, here. Oh, why that first one is not coming? Right, we have to check the first one if it get. Yeah. Here we'll see. Right, coming. Right, it's coming for every click, right? If you want to automatically, you can go to, you can select those two. And you can select the group 5, go to animation, select with previous. Select this one. Here select after previous. Select the group here. Click after previous. Select this one group. Click after previous. Right. Now here you can play. So I didn't click. It's coming automatically one after another. Right. Now what we have to do? We have to do a small work. I'll go to insert. I'll take a rectangle and I'll draw a rectangle to the half like this, and I'll fill the color with black. I'll give the outline, no outline. Now see, now here play. I hope you enjoyed the video, and learn about how to make animated charts and animated infographics in PowerPoint. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe. If you have any comments, click on the comments box.